Okay, today we'll solve the problems based on classification of signal. Here first we go with the first classification, that is even and odd components. Here a problem it is given for us. Find the even and odd components of the signal. Here x of t is given, that is cos t plus sin t plus sin t into cos t. Okay, this is the problem it is given for us. Here we already derived a equation, that is what is our x e of t and also odd part of the signal, that is x o of t. What is our x e of t? That is going to be equals to 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. Then x odd of t is 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. This is your odd part. What we have to do? They already given for the x of t signal. This part is already given for us. But we have to find what is x of minus t. Then after getting x of minus t, we have to add both the signal, and then we have to multiply both the signal with the 1 by 2 function. This is what the even part and also of the odd part. The odd part is, instead of adding, we have to subtract.
Hi, I'm Pastor.
Someone disturbing? Please check with that.
Hi, I'm Pastor.
Okay. Next, what is the given equation is of x of t is of cos t plus sin t cos t. Okay, what you have to do? Obtain x of minus t. To obtain x of t minus t, what I will do in for? Just replace x of t with minus t. That's what here I wrote. X of t by replacing t by minus t. So what I will be getting, instead of writing as x of t, I can write as x of minus t. That is going to be equals to cos of, instead of t, minus t plus sin of minus t plus sin of minus t and also cos of minus t. Next, what is cos minus t? It's of a cos only, right? Then sin of minus t is of minus sin t. Then sin minus t is of minus sin t. Cos minus t is of plus cos t. Plus into minus, I will be getting as minus only, for that reason minus sin t cos t. This is what you have to do to get your x of minus t. Then what you have to do? I want for my x of even part, right? If I want my even part, what I should do? I should add with x of t plus x of t plus x of minus t. Means, who's disturbing? Sangeeta, mute yourself.
ಅದೇ ಜನ್ನ ಔಷಧಿ ಹೇಳವಿ
Okay, here x e of t, what you have to do? We have to add with x of t plus x of minus t. This is our x of t. You can write this as equation 1 and x of minus t as equation 2. What you have to do? You have to add this equation. If I add these two equation, you can write one more step here. I directly wrote here actually. Here cos t, here cos t is there. So you will be getting as, if I add these two means, you will be getting as 2 cos t. Here plus sin t is there. Here minus sin t is there. Plus and minus, it's going to be cancel off. Then again plus sin t cos t, here minus sin t cos t. If I add these two, this is also cancelling off. So I will be left in with, if I add these two, x of t, x of minus t, you'll be getting as 2 cos t. Then multiplying with 1 by 2, for that reason 1 by 2. So you'll be getting 2 to get cancels. I left with cos t. That is the even part of the signal. Then odd part. Odd part, what you have to do? X of t minus x of minus t. Instead of adding this, we have to subtract. Here, this is our x of t and this is our x of minus t. Cos of t minus sin of t minus, it's going to be these two get cancels. Then sin of t minus of minus, right? This will be sin t of first part minus of minus sin t, 2 sin t you will get. That's what here wrote, 2 sin t. Then plus, this is minus of minus going to be plus. If I add these two, subtract these two, I will be getting as 2 sin t cos t. That's what here I taken the 2 as a common and I wrote here sin t plus sin t cos t. Okay, so I will be left with 2 to 8 cancels. Then sin t I can take outside, that is a common factor. Then 1 plus cos t. This is your odd part of the signal. This is the odd part of the signal. This is how you have to solve the problem for even function and also for the odd function of the given signal. Next, here one more problem it is given. We have to find the even and odd components of x of t, that is 1 plus t raised to 3 cos raised to 3 10 t. Sandhya, why you are all disturbing? Mute yourself. Okay, next problem is of x of t is given as 1 plus t raised to 3 cos raised to 3 10 t. Here first you write even part of the equation. It's going to be x e of t is equals to 1 by 2 cos x of t plus x of minus t. Then odd part x odd of t is going to be 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, then already we have x of t. What we want? We want x of minus t. Just replace t by minus t. X of t to x of minus t. So I will be getting as 1 plus here minus instead of t minus t whole cube. Then cos raised to 3 10 minus instead of t minus t. If you solve, what you will get? 1 minus t cube is there. Again it is a odd part. For what I will be doing, minus into minus into minus, you will be getting as minus only, right? So minus t cube, then cos minus of, I can write as minus 10t. Minus 10t, cos is of what? Is of a positive. For that reason you will be getting as cos cube 10t only. Cos of minus theta is going to be taken as cos theta only for that reason. Then what you have to do? We have to add these two when if you want for the even part. Then you have to subtract x of t minus of x of minus t, you will be getting your odd part. If I add x of t, x of minus t, I will be getting as x e of t is going to be 1 by 2. If I add here, you can expand this 1 into cos cube 10t, then t cube cos cube 10t. What you will be getting if you add, you will be getting as 2 cos raised to 3 10t. Then 2 to get cancels and you will be getting as cos cube of 10t. Okay, this is addition operation. I hope you will be doing of this. Then if I go for odd part, it's 1 by 2. If I subtract x of t with x of minus t, I'll be getting as 2 t raised to 3 cos cube of 10t. 2 to get cancels, I'll be getting as t cube cos cube 10t. This question, these two questions asked in the examination, and also yesterday, in Saturday also, who wrote SNDS, they asked this question in the examination. Okay, this will be asking for 6 marks. They will give some two questions like this. You have to answer, find the even part and odd part of the given equation. Okay, based on this, you will be getting as 6 marks in the exam. This is one problem. This you have to do as the assignment. Whatever I told as assignment, you have to write in separate book assignment part only. Okay, this is assignment. You do once and then cross verify with the notes. Then we will go with the how a problem is going to be solved when I go for the, these are in terms of equations, but when it is given in terms of a signal, how it is going to be find out for even and odd parts. Here an example is given. Determine and sketch the even and odd parts of the signal shown in figure. A figure is given for us. This is a triangle function where it is varying from 0 to 2 with the amplitude at 1 it is having 1 x of t and it is of a t. This is the signal it is given. We have to find what is our even part and also of the odd part. First you write the even equation, that is x of t is 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. Then our odd part is 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. Here x of t already given for us. Then what you have to do? What is this? Sangeeta. Sangeeta. Here x of t already given. We have to find what is x of minus. Okay, connected. Able to listen, Vismaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Current hoytu adakoskara. Okay, next here x of t already given. We have to find what is our x of minus t. If I observe this x of minus t, which basic operation we have to perform, it's of a reflection operation, right? X of minus t is of a reflection. For that reason, for x of t we have to do the reflection. Reflection means the positive value of t is going to be changing to the negative values, right? In terms of time function, the reflection of the signal, it is in the first quadrant, it will be changing to the second quadrant. Okay, this is what the reflection is going to. This is the signal. What is the signal is of x of minus t. Next what you have to do, we have to add these two signal, right? And then multiply with the 1 by 2. Here you can go with the two steps. What you can do, first you can multiply 1 by 2 for the x of t and also for the x of minus t. Then you can add. Okay, what I am telling is, here you can write as 1 by 2 x of t plus 1 by 2 x of minus t. You can write, expand this and then you can add the both the signal, or else you can add x of t plus x of minus t and then multiply with the 1 by 2. It's left to you how you are going to solve. Here what I did, first I multiplied 1 by 2 for both the signal x of t and also for the x of minus t. For that reason this is x of t. If I multiply with 1 by 2 means the amplitude is going to be changing here. Okay, for that reason 1 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 you will be getting 1 by 2. The signal is going to be decreased by half position. For that reason it is decreased by half. This is for x of t signal, 1 by 2 x of t. Then this is for x of minus t signal, multiplying the signal here. Here 1 by 2 if I multiply, again the same signal is going to be decreased by the length. Instead of 1 it is going to decrease by half position. This is the signal you will be getting of. That is 1 by 2 x of t, 1 by 2 x of minus t. Then what you have to do? We have to add these two signal. Observe here how to add. Just go on observing in the negative side and also in the positive side. Here in the negative side from minus 2 to 0 only triangle is there. Here we don't have any signal. If I add this triangle with the 0 you'll be getting the same signal. For that reason you have to take this signal as it is. Then across positive, here you don't have any signal, it will be 0. Here a triangle is there, the same triangle is going to reflect at the positive side. So you have to draw this. This is how you will be getting your even part. Okay, minus 2 to plus 2. A signal is going to be
ಈಗ ತಾಂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ದಿನ.
These two signals we have to add, just adding of the two signals. Okay, then what you have to do? We have to subtracting these two signal. This first we added the both the signal. Now we have to go for the subtraction of these two signal. Then first it's going to be x of t minus of 1 by 2 x of minus t. This is our odd part of the signal. Okay, so if I just observe here, if I subtract x of t, it is in a positive, this value will not change. When I subtract with the x of minus t signal, here the magnitude value minus of it's going to change. Observe here, minus of, right? For that reason what I can do, this minus is going to affect for the in terms of the amplitude only. Remember the minus sign here, the minus sign is going to reflect for the amplitude value only. For that reason this minus is going to be taken as minus 1 by 2. If I do, what I will be getting, the signal is going to shift towards the negative side. That is minus 2 minus 1. It will be 0.
ನಿಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟತಿ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ.
Excuse me, ma'am. Didn't audible, ma'am.
Now able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೋ ನೆನಪೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. After this problem is finished, explanation.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth problem I have to start, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next problem. Here the signal is given. We have to find what is the even and odd component of the signal. Here x of t are already given for us. First, what I did here, we already know. Again, I didn't wrote the even and odd part of the equation, but you have to write the equation, whatever the problem you are going to solve. Even part of the signal and also odd part of the signal. First, you write the equation. Here, I directly gone with the solution only. Okay. Here, first, what I did, I multiplied 1 by 2 x of t like this. What I explained here, 1 by 2 x of t plus 1 by 2 x of minus t. Okay. Same thing, 1 by 2 x of t means the amplitude value
ಏನು
is going to be changing instead from 1 to 1 by 2. Then the reflection of this x of t, x of minus t means this is the reflected version of this. So we'll be getting as reverse of the signal. The negative values are going to be positive and positive values are going to be taken in a negative. Reverse of that and then multiplying with 1 by 2. So we'll be getting as 1 by 2 x of minus t. This is what 1 by 2 x of t and then 1 by 2 x of minus t signal. These two signals. Then what you have to do? If I add these two, I should get my even part. Just observe here. When I'm going to add these two signals, I will erase the lines. From, if I observe here, from minus 2 to the other values till it's going for the infinity, it will be 0. Here, minus 2 till I go with the infinite value, it is having the amplitude as 1 by 2 only. For that reason, till from minus infinity, you should not mention minus infinity, just imagine here, till from minus infinity to minus 2, minus infinity to minus 2, the signal is having the amplitude as 1 by 2 only. Amplitude as 1 by 2 only. Then at minus 1, at minus 1, here having amplitude as 1 by 2. Here at minus 1, sorry, here minus 1, you are having amplitude as 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. If I add these two signals, what I will get? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, you will be getting as 1. For that reason, from minus 2 to minus 1, the amplitude is going to changing from 1 by 2 to 1. For the observe here, here is a rising edge. For that reason, you have to rise the edge. Okay. Then across 0. What is the signal here? It will be 0. Again at 0, it is the 0 only. For that reason, it will be 0 only. It's coming further down. Observe, go with the how it is a falling edge or rising edge. Based on this, you can just guess here. It is going to be rising down. Again at 0 to 1. 0 to 1 again here rising and the amplitude reaching is of 1 by 2. Here also at 1 it is also rising edge and here also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 again 1 by 2 you will be getting as plus. If I add these two signal, you will be getting as plus 1. For that reason it is rising up to at point 1. At point 1 it will be 1. Then at 2. At 2 it will be, here it will be 0. Here it is going to be taken. If I write here as 2 value, here it is, what is the amplitude here is of 1 by 2. For that reason at 2 the amplitude is going to be falling because here is a falling edge. Falling till at 2 1 by 2 and then here we don't have any signal but here it is always 1 by 2 till it is infinity. For that reason just make the signal straight with the amplitude of 1 by 2. This is how we will be getting as even part. Then to get odd part, we have to subtract these two signal. If I subtraction means this signal will be as it is, but you have to go for the negative sign. What I will be doing here, just first I will this is your even part. Here I will draw minus of the whole signal. Okay, what I will be getting minus of the whole signal means this positive amplitude is going to change to the negative amplitude. So here here the amplitude is going to be taken as minus 1 by 2 signal. Here it will be 2, here it will be 1, here it will be 0, then minus 1 minus 2 signal. This is what if I multiply the whole signal with minus 1, because the equation is going to be taken here as a minus. I directly am doing this minus operation for the signal. Next, what we have to do? Already I done a minus operation of the signal of this. That is what I will getting is minus 1 by 2 x of minus t signal. This is what the signal you got of this. Okay. Next, what I will do? I will be adding the 1 by 2 x of t signal, then minus 1 by 2 x of minus t signal. I am just adding these two signal because minus I already done. Okay, don't get confused. I already done the negative of the 1 by 2 x of minus t. Okay, if I add these two signal, what I will be getting? Observe here. Here the beyond minus 2 no, you don't have any signal. Here beyond minus 2 we have a signal. For that reason up to minus 2 it will be coming as it is. Then at minus 1, here it is a positive 1 by 2. At minus 1 here is of a negative 1 by 2, means positive 1 by 2 plus minus of 1 by 2 means it will be 0. For that reason at minus 1 it is going to be 0. Then at 0 we don't have any signal. Again here at 0 we don't have any signal. So till from minus 1 to 0 it will be 0. Then from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, here is a positive 1 by 2. Then here at 0 to 1, here is a negative 1 by 2. Positive and negative values are going to be cancel off. Positive 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, it will be 0. Right? For that reason 0 to 1 by 2, again it will be 0. Then from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, here 1 to 2 it's a rising edge. Okay, observe here it is of a rising edge. Here it will be minus 1 by 2, here it will be positive 1 by 2. So what it's going for? It's going to be rising to 1 by 2 at 2th position, at second position. Here it will be 0. At the second position here it is 0, but here at 2, here 1 by 2 signal is there. For that reason at 2, point at 2, here the amplitude is going to be changing to 1 by 2 only. And if I go with the beyond 3 4 values, here you don't have any signal, so the signal is going to be continuing furthermore. This is what a signal is going to be taken place. This is your odd part of the signal and this is your even part of the signal. This is how this is important. It will be asking for 6 or 8 marks question in the examination. Definitely already many times asked this question also. Okay, this is for the continuous time. Next we will go with the discrete time and few more examples in the next class. Okay, I will end the session today.